Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so this question has to do with a sample size calculation. And in order to do it, we need to remember that the formula for a finite population is equal to n prime, where n prime is the sample size, is going to be equal to the size of my total population divided by 1 plus the set score squared. Remember that that set score is related for the confidence level that we require, multiplied by the population proportion, that is called p circumflex times 1 minus p circumflex, divided by, whoops, over here the division is only over the second factor, divided by the margin of error that I require, margin of error squared, times n, the population size. And the part over here, this n that we get, is the value for the unlimited population result. That would be set squared times p times 1 minus p circumflex divided by epsilon squared. Okay? So now, the population proportion, whenever it is not provided, what you're going to assume is that p is going to be equal to 0.5. Next up, we are asked to have a confidence level of 95%. So we have 95% confidence level. Remember that the set score for that confidence level turns out to be 1.96. If you remember correctly, this comes from the standard normal distribution for a mean equal to 0 and a standard deviation equal to 1, so the weight of this Gaussian. And what this means is that the value for set for having a 95% confidence level, for capturing 95% of the integral of this Gaussian, turns out to be set equal to 1.96. You can check up those values in most of the statistical books. On the very back, you have a list for different confidence level, what should be the value for set. Okay? And the other information that we require is the percentage of error. In this case, our percentage of error turns out to be at 3%, and 3% corresponds to 0.03. So now we just feed all of this into our formula, and we get n prime is equal to 1067.11 divided by 1 plus 1067.11 divided by my total population. And n is 310 million residents, so 310 times 10 to the 6, right? Which is the same as 3.1 times 10 to the 8. So, as you can see, this value, it is converged to a population size of approximately 1067.11. So given the options that they are provided to you, the best one would be choosing a size and prime of 1500. And that would be all. Thank you very much.